So the carrier has the right to send you for an independent medical examination, IME for short. And basically what it is that one physician or sometimes several physicians will evaluate your treatment. They'll look at your medical records in your case and prior medical records, and they'll do an evaluation of you, and they'll give the carrier an opinion as to whether or not they think that the treatment that you've received so far is appropriate, and they'll tell you whether or not they think that you need ongoing treatment. Sometimes there's a certain procedure that your doctor is recommending, and the carrier will send you for an IME to get additional information or to get a second opinion on whether that particular treatment is necessary. One thing to keep in mind with these IMEs is that a lot of these physicians, they're physicians. They're sworn to do what's best for a patient, but you're not their patient. Their client is the industrial insurance carrier. So remember, when they're talking to you, that you listen to the questions and you only answer what they're asking. Don't go off on all of the information that you want to give about how unfairly you think that you've been treated. You want to just give them information and just answer the questions that they're asking. Sometimes they'll do little tricks on you to try and see if you're exaggerating your injury, so keep that in mind as well. I've had clients come back and tell me, yeah, this doctor touched me here and asked me if it hurt, then went to another spot and then went back to the same spot and touched me again to see if it would hurt me, to try and trick me into saying that something hurts when it doesn't, or something that it can get really, really convoluted and complicated. Generally, physicians are, helpful and good people, but sometimes in this context of an independent medical examination, you really need to be careful when you're in there. Best rule of thumb: if you have an attorney, make sure that you're talking to your attorney specifically about your case before you go into an independent medical examination. These reports come out, 2 weeks to a month later, and they will significantly affect your case in some circumstances.